Today's topic is the procedure for registration of the partnership firm. As we were discussing about the partnership firm, yesterday I taught you the partnership deed, which is important written documents between the partners. But the question is that why the partnership firm get registered? If partnership firm is not registered, then nobody or no any partners can file a case against the partnership firm. Second point is that if the firm is not registered, file in case against any other partner of the unregistered firm. अगर फर्म रजिस्टर्ड नहीं है तो किसी भी पार्टनर के खिलाफ जो पार्टनर्स है अनरजिस्टर्ड फर्म में कोई भी क्लेम नहीं किया जा सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज दैट इफ द फर्म इज नॉट रजिस्टर्ड then it cannot file a suit, SUIT, suit means मुकदमा, against any third party or outsider for recovery of their loan. Means if the outsider has given loan to the firm and the firm is not registered, then that outsider cannot file a suit to the court. Next is, if the firm is not registered, then no one can file a case against any one of the partners. Now we come on next topic, that is how the partnership firm can be registered. What are the procedures, what are the steps are adopted to get the registration of the partnership firm. To get the partnership firm registered, the partners have to approach to the office of the registrar. In each and every state there is a office of registrar where funds, firms, chit fund societies are registered. For the registration of partnership firm, the partners have to approach to the registrar office where he will get a prescribed form along with information regarding the registration fee. Then, fulfilling the prescribed form and along with the registration fees, the form is submitted to the office of the registrar. Before this, I would like to tell you one thing, that what are the contents, what are the points that has to fill by the partners given in prescribed form is name of the firm, the place of the business of the firm or address of the head office, the name of any other place where firm will be carrying on the business or address of the branch office of the firm, date of admission of the partners in the firm, names and permanent addresses of all the partners, and duration of the firm. These points are given in the prescribed form which is given by the registrar office. Partners fulfill this form and along with registration fee they submit it to the office of the registrar, and the office of the registrar gives them a receiving clerks होता है जो receiving देता है. After getting the file, the clerk of the registrar office puts the file before the registrar, and the registrar examines each and every documents information given by the firm. If the registrar is satisfied with the statement, with the given information, with the evidence, then he registered the firm and issues the certificate of incorporation or registration certificate to the partnership firm.